guys, I'm Evan Lim and I'm back with another video, and I'm going to put all of you guys in a microwave. Do not look at my basement. That's a joke. But for real, I wonder what it would look like when I put my iPad, my camera, into a microwave. So that's exactly what I'm going to do. Let's do our thing. So guys, for that visual. Ugh. Yeah, it's disgusting up there. I'm sorry. I'm gonna be closing in 5, 4, 3, 2. Wait, guys, sorry. But if it's interesting, or did you if you expected the light to immediately just turn off, leave a like. And if you are surprised about if it didn't do that, subscribe. You know what? And if it does both of that for you, it surprises you and you already knew what I was going to do, like and subscribe. Or just do it to be nice, because I only have a small amount of subscribers. So, I'm going to be closing in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, guys, I'm opening. First, I'm going to see if I can hear myself from the outside. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now, closing. If you guys didn't know what I said hi. Hi. I'm a chicken hen. I'm a chicken.